Shalom. Today is day 17 of the counting of the Omer. Today's attributes are Tiferes, shebbe, Tiferes, beauty within beauty. The epitome of beauty that speaks of harmony and balance within all of creation was present in the beginning within Gan Eden, the Garden of Eden. That harmony was disrupted when Adam and Eve partook of forbidden fruit from the tree of knowledge of good and evil. Up until that moment, the progenitors of humankind lived in a non-dual world of blissful connection to God. Their relationship to Him was whole and immersed in complete oneness. They were at one with each other and all of creation as well. Subsequent to their disobedience, the world became an admixture of good and evil. Throughout history, these two forces often appeared in sharp outlines, discernible even to the casual eye, as well as the more carefully owned conscience. Today, the blur between good and evil that seems to have proliferated in the 20th century is increasing to the point of concern, whereas the boundaries are no longer clearly marked in society. The prophet's words apply. Woe unto them that call evil good and good evil, that change darkness into light and light into darkness, that change bitter into sweet and sweet into bitter. Isaiah chapter 5, verse 20. The words of singer-songwriter Joni Mitchell during the tumultuous 60s still ring true. We've got to get ourselves back to the garden. How so? Through bringing compassion towards a disharmonious world, beginning with ourselves. For God primarily expects His crowning achievement, humankind, to live lives that reflect His image. Mankind has fallen far since the days of yore, yet recovery for the soul is still possible. With a sincere effort, a response will be elicited from above.